This is a translucent Arkansas sharpening stone. Might have been a Norton given the tear out on the bottom from glue. Probably one of those wood box glued Nortons. Chipped on one end. Just lapped on one side and chamfered to like a 320 level. The stone is 5 and 29/32 of an inch long, or around 15 centimeters by 1 and 27/32 of an inch wide, or about 4.7 centimeters. 31/32 thick, or 2.45 roughly centimeters. And what else? On the bottom, that chip over here is like 3/32 of an inch deep at the worst. And what else? The chips here, they come in from the end about 3 centimeters or so. Everything else has been rolled out of the plane. Very translucent. As you can see, very translucent. Translucent Arkansas.